Hi, I'm Isabella. I am a macrame artist and tutor. Today I'm going to show you some macrame top tips. Let's get started. Subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Let's start with the basics. How to make and cut your string. Measure the length of string that you want and wrap the part you want to cut with some masking tape. Then cut through the middle of the masking tape to ensure both ends are taped and won't fray. When you run out of string, you can take a new piece of string and make a square knot on the two pieces of strings in the middle. Now you can tuck the short string at the back of your piece to hide them. Trim the ends to make it neater. In macrame, we always count the strings from the left to the right, even if the strings swap places as we work. This will help you read patterns. You can start your macrame piece on a dowel, a wooden ring, or on a string. To bundle long lengths of strings, you can fold them a couple of times and secure them with a knot. Bundling strings together in a knot helps you stay organized and make it easier to tie your knots. The single twist, braided and 3-ply strings are great for interior projects like wall and plant hanger, while the jute string is perfect for outdoor projects. To add beads to your work, tape the end of the string with masking tape. This allows the bead to slide on the string easier. Secure the beads with an overhand or slip knot. To cut a knit fringe, you can take the first and last strings from your piece and bring them to the middle and cut. Repeat the same step and take the next strings that haven't been cut and bring towards the middle and cut. You can do this for all your strings. For more macrame techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.